Let's actually go back to trading now. So what preparation goes into planning to place a trade that you take? Because I heard earlier on that you try to keep it stupid simple, if that's what you say.
Yeah. My clients will tell you too, man. Like whenever we have lessons with clients, I always say one thing. Always try to keep it stupid simple. But what do I mean when I say stupid simple? Like a lot of people have indicators. They have a lot of lines in the charts and everything, of which I feel like it overcomplicates the trading process, like the money-making process, right? So what we want to do is focus on the money-making part, and the money-making part is filtering out the noise. Man, when I learned how to trade Forex, I was bombarded with a lot of strategies, like a bit of this, a bit of that, and everything. So when I started my own company, along with my brother, Dumisani, on Instagram. So I realized that, I want to filter out all this noise, So our strategy, we try to filter out all the noise and basically keep it stupid simple, right? So basically what we do is we start with your bigger time frames, of course, because your bigger time frames, they show you the bigger picture, right? So you don't want to be selling in an uptrend, and you don't want to be buying in a downtrend, right? When the market is going down.
That's true.
Right. So we start with your bigger time frames. I try to keep it at daily, and then I go into my 4 hours, and then my 1 hour for my entries, right? And then from there, I identify the trend, of course. Then from identifying the trend, that's when I try to find my points of confluence. My points of confluence basically will be now your support and resistance zones, right? Because you have to identify the range of which the market is moving within, right? So that's basically the process. And then from there you look at your candlesticks, you look at like your final details. But that's the most important thing that I prioritize, and I try as much as possible to keep it at like not having too many lines, because too many lines definitely like confusing.
That's true.
Yeah. Okay. And then sorry to cut you short, but also a lot of people don't pay attention to the news side or the fundamental side. You can have your technical analysis on point to the T, but you also have to make sure that you know what's going to happen. If you're placing a trade on a USD pair and you're not aware that at 3:30 today there's news coming out on USD, and then you wonder why you keep on losing your trades, so you always have to back test and you always have to back check with what's happening in the market.